Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to create a Telegram account without a phone number. So in order to begin with, check your internet connection. Make sure to stick with us right till the end. So to create a Telegram account without a phone number, it's quite not possible. So Telegram does not operate without a phone number. So if you are thinking you could either log in with the help of an email or some sort of other alternative, then it's actually not possible. However, if you don't want to use your phone number, then you can simply use a virtual phone number. So for that, what you need to do is you need to install, or you need to look for a virtual phone number that will be provided on some certain websites or on a particular application. So first of all, let's talk about the website. If you open up a browser and then on the web address bar, if you type in virtual free phone number, and this is going to direct you to a number of pages. Here you'll be able to find multiple different link and website that's going to provide you with a virtual phone number. So all you need to do is just copy the virtual phone number unless and until you receive a verification code. Till then, you can simply use your virtual phone number and explore Telegram. And however, if you're unable to find it on the website, you can also use the application. For that, head over to your respective Play Store and then on the search bar type in virtual phone number, or you can just go ahead and type in text me app, and you can go ahead and install the following app, and after that you'll be provided with a virtual phone number. So that's basically how you can create a Telegram account without using your own phone number. You can use a virtual phone number. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.